Join here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got that Smith Corona this morning, and it's got a jammed up ribbon lift. This is bent bad, where it just sticks. It's binding on these posts. I think this one is bent, side is bent inward, and it's this piece, the card holder should be more flush against the platen roller there. So we're going to see if we can tend to that on camera here today. And the first thing I'm going to do is clean this off so I can put some protection. I want to protect that logo there. So I want to not ruin this red logo there. It's already chipped off a little right there. I don't want to lose any more, so I'm going to clean this with some lacquer center. Get it really clean right there. And then I'm going to put some tape over it. A little trick I got is I can put some tape right over that piece. Just like that. I'm going to peel this off. That's going to cover that and protect it from any chemicals that I'm going to be using on this. So first thing I want to do here is remove the card holder part, and I'm going to try to reform that so it's a little bit closer to the platen roller. Pretty stuck under there. And then I'm going to clean this too, of course. First thing I want to do is try to straighten this out. Well, not the first thing I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is clean this mess of a camera and see what's going on here. It's so dirty. Okay, so let's just get this thing cleaned up a little bit. Let's see what we're doing here. Looks pretty good there. It back here a little bit, see. Okay. At least we can see. So these binds are always a little different. And looks like I'm going to try to push the centerpiece away from the back here first. There, see, I freed it up some of this piece. Is next. I'm going to form that forward. That. So we want this little slider to go right up here, and then this piece on this side feels like it's binding over here, and this top piece is definitely bent. So let's see if I can prop something in here and force this back, at least so it's kind of even with the other one. That looks pretty bent. This thing is really kind of mangled. Oh boy, that doesn't look much better. That's not right. It's still binding pretty severely, but it looks free up here. All this area looks free. It must be Must be down the shaft right here. Right down in here. Try to force that. Now this one has been pretty good. I can't quite figure it out right off the bat here. Alright, I'm going to try to form this back. Stick it back through the... Boy, it actually feels worse than it was. Oh, you know what? Oh, wow. Okay. It's not this guide that's bent. It's this chrome piece right here. This is this fork right here. This piece is bent. See how this one, it's hard to see it. Let's see that. Oh boy, that's not supposed to bend, this piece right here. That is bent compared to this one, which is straight. This piece here is not straight. Holy smoke. I'm not sure I've seen those bend before. Alright, let's try to fix it on camera, because if it breaks, that's going to be a much more serious repair. So I'm going to try to force this guard guide out of here again. Okay. So what I'm saying is this piece is bent. You can really see it now, right there. Okay, well, it moved. Alright, let's try some more. Try with a bigger pair of dumbbells here. How this got bent, I don't know. Okay, it's pretty close. Pretty close to even with the other one. It's got to go a little more to be perfect. Well, let's try putting the guide in here and see if that made any improvements on this. Maybe doesn't want to go back in now. Okay, that did it. Well, that wasn't what I expected when I first looked at this. Not what I expected. But, you know, nothing surprises me in typewriters nowadays, so let's look at this piece here and see what we can do with this real quick. So, Okay. So usually this is pretty pliable, this piece. And I just want it to be a little flatter against the roller, so we're going to hold it here and form this forward a little bit. This side, this one side is, you can line it up and see it's not quite as curved as this piece. So I'm going to curve this down a little. But I really want it to be, the bend to be right there. So I'm going to form this in just a little. And take a look and see. It's kind of a spring steel, this stuff. It is pliable, but it's got a little rebound to it, so you gotta bend it past the point that you want it and have it spring back. Okay, let's try that. Doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect sometimes. This has to be, it has to work. Let's see how she looks. Okay, looks like it's in there. That's, it could be a little closer. It's even. This does have a paper bail, so it's not that critical that this is too close, but let's see. Looks like it's going to work. Yeah, looks good. I think I'll leave that right there at that little bit of gap. Alright, that was a little, wasn't quite the lift that was bent, it was these forks right here. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.